Okay. Whenever has given us supper, he come here, he not come here empty-handed. He come here with something. He give us money that we should rebuild our market. In fact, after Saturdays, when all of us do the needful, vote him into power, that he's going to come here and rebuild this market by himself. Protect your vote. Governor, what will our kids want to eat? What will our family eat? I'm responsible to my family. What will my children eat? That's what I stand for. You need to follow me to our house. You fall away from here. What will my family eat? I have a brown, lovely children. What will my family eat? Let me see something. Who will vote the retire? I will press your vote for you. You are pressing what you do. I will press your vote.